everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into a laptop that's been generating a lot of buzz, especially among students and professionals. It's the HP 15s-fq3066TU. So let's break it down and see if it's the right fit for you. First off, let's talk about design. This laptop is sleek, lightweight, and pretty stylish with its jet black finish. At just 1.69 kilograms, it's perfect for slipping into your backpack and heading out to class or work. It's thin, it's light, and it looks good. What more could you ask for? Now, onto the internals. This baby is powered by an Intel Celeron dual-core N4500 processor. It's not the beefiest processor out there, but for everyday tasks like browsing, streaming, and working on documents, it gets the job done. Plus, with 8 GB of RAM, multitasking is smooth and efficient. Storage, you've got a 512 GB SSD here, which means faster boot times and quicker access to your files. No more waiting around for your laptop to catch up with you. And trust me, that's a game changer when you're juggling assignments or emails. Let's not forget the display. The HP 15s sports a 15.6-inch screen with vibrant visuals. Whether you're watching lectures, editing photos, or just binge watching your favorite series, the display won't disappoint. And here's a big plus, it comes pre-installed with Windows 11, Home and Microsoft Office. That's right, no need to spend extra on software. You're ready to go straight out of the box. Now, let's talk about who this laptop is for. If you're a student or a professional who needs a reliable machine for everyday tasks and some light multitasking, the HP 15s-fq3066TU is definitely worth considering. It's not a powerhouse for gaming or heavy-duty graphic design, but for its price point, it offers solid performance and great value. So, is the HP 15s-fq3066TU the best budget laptop for students and professionals? Well, it certainly checks a lot of boxes. Sleek design, lightweight, decent performance, and pre-installed software. It's got a lot going for it. And that's it for today's review.